Have you ever watched movies like Ice Age or seen documentaries about dinosaurs? If so, you know Earth's climate hasn't always stayed the same. Continent shifts, ice sheets grow and shrink, and temperatures rise and fall over thousands or even millions of years. This is called climate variability, natural changes in Earth's climate over time. But today, scientists are ringing alarm bells because Earth's temperature is rising at a rate that's far beyond natural patterns. So what's the difference, and how do we know that today's warming is caused by humans, not just another natural cycle?
Hi, sorry to interrupt your video, but I hope you're enjoying the short, sharp sticker book content. If you want to join the hundreds of organisations and tens of thousands of people across 35 countries who are collecting stickers, please get in touch. We'd love to make learning fun with you. Happy collecting.
Let's break it down.
Earth's climate has never been completely stable. It naturally shifts due to different factors. Changes in the Earth's orbit and tilt, known as the Milankovitch cycles, these small shifts affect how much sunlight reaches the planet, leading to ice ages and warm periods over thousands of years. Changes in ocean currents, like El Niño and La Niña, these cause short-term climate variations, leading to extreme weather like floods and droughts. Changes to the sun's energy output. The sun doesn't always shine with the same intensity. Sunspots and solar cycles can impact Earth's temperature. Volcanic eruptions. Big eruptions release dust and gases that block sunlight, temporarily cooling the planet.
These are all natural causes of climate variability. But if the Earth has always changed, why are scientists so concerned today? Let's look at two issues to see why scientists are so worried. Is there something that might be causing our climate to change, and are there signs that it's changing faster than we would expect? Since the Industrial Revolution, humans have been burning fossil fuels, coal, oil, and gas at an enormous scale. This releases greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane, which trap heat in Earth's atmosphere.
Normally, greenhouse gases are actually a good thing. They keep our planet warm enough to support life. But the problem is we've increased carbon dioxide levels by 50% in just 200 years. That's a massive spike in a very short time. If we pump more heat-trapping gases into the atmosphere, what do we think will happen?
Scientists measure Earth's past climate using ice cores, tree rings, and ocean sediments, and they can see that today's warming is happening at an unnatural speed. Here's what we found. After an ice age, Earth usually warms slowly over thousands of years, but today the planet is warming 10 times faster than it did after the last ice age. The ocean's surface is warming 4 times faster than it did just 40 years ago. Warmer oceans mean stronger storms, rising sea levels, and damage to marine life. Greenland and Antarctica are losing ice faster than any time in recorded history, contributing to rising sea levels. Extreme weather is becoming more intense. Hurricanes, heat waves, and wildfires are happening more often and with greater strength. When you compare the rate of these changes to the amount of heat-trapping gases humans are putting into the atmosphere, the connection is clear. Humans are not just influencing the climate, we are accelerating change beyond what nature would do on its own.
Imagine you have a football. Over time, it naturally loses air and deflates a little. That's normal. What if, instead of slowly deflating over months, the ball shrinks in just a few days? You'd probably think that there's a puncture or a leak, something unnatural speeding up the process. That's exactly what's happening with the Earth's climate. Natural climate cycles exist, but the speed and scale of today's warming are far beyond what we'd expect from those cycles alone. We can see this by looking at the amount of heat-trapping gases we're emitting and the speed at which changes are happening compared to natural rates.
The overwhelming scientific evidence shows that human actions are accelerating climate change. It's important to emphasize this because the general public often underestimates just how strong the scientific consensus is. In fact, over 99% of climate scientists agree that human-caused climate change is now happening. But this is a safe space, and we'd love to hear your thoughts on climate change and our impact on it. Happy collecting.